Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup.
Only a couple months ago we reviewed the original Echo Dot, but now we have the second generation Echo Dot. What's changed? Let's find out. I'm Andrew with Your Tech Explained, and this is the video review of the Amazon Echo Dot 2nd Gen. So the original pricing for the Echo Dot came in at around $89, but now the price is basically sliced in half at $49, and you don't have to try very hard to get one anymore. This is honestly an amazing price, especially if you want to start setting up your own smart home. Let's go over the similarities. You can still say, "Hey Alexa," to change music, ask about weather, order a pizza, and so on. It still does really well recognizing your voice, even during music playback. It also still has that low profile that we loved from before. It fits in any room and doesn't stand out like an Echo would. One of my favorite things is light control. I can walk in and say, "Alexa, turn on my bedroom," and everything will turn on. I can say, "Alexa, shuffle Manchester Orchestra," and it'll play via Bluetooth to my speakers. And that's another thing I love, Bluetooth connection. I don't have to wire up my speakers across the room to play via the Dot. Now, setup can be a little tricky though. It took me a little bit of time to get things right, but after I did, I still had to do some tweaking. It'll take a bit of time, but you'll get it, and after you do, it's well worth it. The only wired connection you'll need with the Dot is from micro USB plug to a wall outlet, but that's it. What about the differences? Well, now there isn't a volume control ring, instead they've added the buttons, which might be a nice change considering it's not heavy enough that you can't accidentally turn the Dot around without meaning to. Color options have changed too. Now you can also get the Dot in the unique color of white. Now, while this isn't a huge change, the color of the Dot now matches certain rooms better than before. I have the white one and it looks pretty decent in my room, I have to say. The best change of them all though is the price. Instead of spending $90, you now only have to shell out $50. It's basically two for the price of one. And as of the recording of this review, you can actually grab 5 Echo Dots and get a 6th for free, which is pretty awesome if you're trying to convert your house into a smart home. Overall, the Echo Dot is a great gateway to a smart home and a great device for everyday use. Over time, you'll end up using it more and more without even realizing it. If you want to know more in depth about the Dot, you can go ahead and check out our written review of the original Echo Dot, considering not much has changed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Your Tech Explained.